Hello YouTube, this is Little Mr. Hardcore, aka Robert with Son. I don't know why the video is so dim, but here it is. I bought one of these Retrospection collection boxes. It's on sale for $11.98. You get 5 hobby packs. I figured, what the hey, $5.98, $11.98. But anyways, let's get into it. Try to make this video quick. But if it's my video, it's going to be long with a lot of dead air. Where's the thing? There we go. Five crappy packs. So it goes says Elite, and then Past and Present, and then that's how we'll do it. I don't even know which is which. Anyway, let's get into it. First pack we get Rodney Stuckey, Shane Battier, backwards that, Kevin Garnett, Samuel Dellenbert, and Jason Kidd prime numbers. I don't know if that's an insert, I'm guessing. Jason Kidd prime numbers, so there's the first pack. No autograph or jersey yet, which they don't seem thick enough to have a jersey. Second pack. Let's go like that. Let's go like that. They all seem kind of dinged up pretty good on this corner, but Clyde Drexler. Oh, I don't even know how. Is that Timothy? I don't even know how to say that. So there's that guy. You can read that. Have fun. Nate Robinson, Evan Turner, and a die cut of Jimmy Butler, Elite Rookie, numbered to 2 of 24. That's cool. Jimmy Butler, I don't know if he's any good, but can't see that. But it's 2 of 24, as I said. But die cut, Elite Rookie. So that's the best card so far. Hopefully there's an autograph and or jersey, but I doubt it. I know I wouldn't mind one of those headband cards either, because those are in Past and Present, I think. But here's Past and Present number 1. Brett Barry, Hedo Turkoglu, whatever this is, it's weird feeling. Threads of, feels like a basketball, Kobe. John Jenkins, rookie. Rise and Shine of Jay Crowder. And Paul George. Not a rookie, I don't think. Oh, he was drafted in 2010, ain't he? Yeah. But Paul George. So I did get that. It feels like a basketball card of Kobe. Yeah. Okay, next pack of Past and Present. I kind of want to feel one of them headband cards. I haven't felt one yet. Mo Williams, wish he was still in the Cavs. Steven Jackson, Past and Present. I don't know what this is. It just says Randy Foye. That's all it says. Doesn't say much else. So I guess that's it. Just a different card. Kyle O'Quinn. Dion Waiters, the Rise and Shine. That might be his rookie. And an Anderson Varejao. 2 Cavs cards. Awesome. Still not as good as that Kobe, but and then my contenders is last, which would be really nice if there was an autograph in there to make up for anything else I didn't get. And here we go. First card. Nick Young. John Salmons. Playoff contenders of, who is that? Karl Malone. I should have known that. Not numbered. None of these were numbered. Chauncey Billups and Goran Dragic. I don't know. I don't do basketball very much, but that was my break. Didn't get much except for if Jimmy Butler's anybody. Because the good thing is that whole pack was bent, but this was die cut, so it wasn't bent. But Jimmy Butler, number to 24. That's my hit, I guess. Thanks for watching.
Bye.